we're going to do an unboxing of this ultrasonic cleaner here, so you know exactly what we're going to get inside with it. So, I mean, if you guys are looking for a way to go ahead and clean like your jewelry and different dentures and different things like that, this here is a good option. You get a user manual with it. You get the cleaner itself right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one. So let's go ahead and unwrap it. There we go. Ooh, things falling off. So kind of show you what it looks like on the inside. Look at that. Okay. Then we have our top with it. Then we have a little container in here. A container. Okay. So move this stuff to the side. And then we should also have our power cable. A little power cable here that we're going to go ahead and plug in. So you can go ahead and use things as simple as like water inside of these things with it, or some kind of cleaner. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and add some water. Now there is a max line in here that I want to go ahead and avoid going over, of course. So let's go ahead and plug this in so we can see how this here all works. There is a timer on it and an on-off button in the front side, which you guys should be able to see. And then I'm just going to go ahead and plug this guy here in real quick. And let's go ahead and turn it on. Here, there we go. So we have our on and off button right here with it, and we have our timer. So we have, we're going to turn it on. This here does make like a kind of noise. I'm going to go ahead and put my ring inside the little basket here. And that's going to go ahead and go down. And then I can kind of see it's vibrating all of that water all the way around it right now. And we can also set a timer on here too. We have our timer going. We can go ahead and change the time with the time button on there. But it's a nice little ultrasonic cleaner. So right now I'm cleaning off my ring. I can see some dirt flying around this thing. I wish I could show it to you guys. But there is dirt from my ring that is now floating on the top with this, which is pretty cool. Really, really cool to see. So I'm going to go ahead and take my little basket out of here with it. So I'm sure that, you know, my ring will, you know what? My ring actually looks clean just like this. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. I can go ahead and now turn this thing here off. With it, I now have little floating dirt on the inside of it. Now I'm pretty impressed by that with it, because I was not expecting anything really coming off my ring. But you know, your ring does get dirty, and I mean, it did take the dirt off of it. It is a little loud, and I did not put the top on here, so let's do that real quick too, so we can see how loud it is. If you do have like the top on, you might want to go ahead and actually put the top on before you hit the start button right there. And does quiet it down a good significant amount, but it does produce a lot of noise. I'm sure you guys can probably hear with it. So it's definitely a lot quieter with the lid on with this. But go ahead and turn that right there off. Grab my little basket here. There we go. My ring back on. Altogether, I like it. I mean, it worked right off the bat. I mean, I see little dots of like soot and stuff like that, like dirt from my ring, hanging on the bottom of this now with it. So that's kind of nice. I do like that. And I like the fact that this here does have a really nice, easy, portable lid with it. But if you need to go ahead and have an easy way to go ahead and clean your items, especially the smaller items and stuff like that, or dentures, it might be a great option for you. I hope you enjoy it as well.